This is Joy with Decor Made with Joy, and I am coming to you with the tip of the week. And this one involves cleaning up the back of a moss wreath as you get it ready to ship. You could see down in here we have a lot of stems sticking out. We have a few steel picks sticking out. Some of this could scratch your client's door, and some of it could poke them. So we want to be very careful in cleaning this up. And cleaning it up involves clipping. I'm not going to try to clip all of these stems that are down in the groove of the thing here. I'm just going to clip off what might scratch their door or poke them. So I use my nip picks to do that. The rest of this, I keep a lot of extra leaves. I bet you do too. And underneath my desk, and I'm just going to clip off some of my leaves. Like so, and take my glue gun and glue these leaves over the tops of those stems. So I could also use moss, but I have these leaves for this very purpose, so why not use them? So take my glue gun. What's going on there? Maybe it hadn't had long enough to heat up. Well, let's go to plan B then. We will take, my glue pot is on, and I think it is warmed up. So I will just take a stick and dab in my glue pot over here and bring it back over to my stems and paint those with some glue and start inserting my leaves over the top. Just press down until it dries. I like to do this because if your client has any glass on their door and, you know, they could see the backside from maybe inside the house, you don't want all of that mechanics visible. So using these little extra leaves is a great little tip. I'm not quite finished, but you get the point there, and I'll hold this up and you can see what I have done. And I'll finish that up and over in here and go down in here over the top of these steel picks. All right, I hope that helps. Take care.